Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
He's Ray Ferraro down at ice level. My name is James Cebulski for EA Sports, set to bring you what should be a fun one here tonight. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
And we are about set to drop the puck on this one. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Takes the feed. Here's a shot. Denies him on the play. Jostles the puck loose. Great Britain's across the blue line. Team Great Britain's on the attack. Here's a chance. Fires the wrist shot and makes the save. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Receives the pass. And now he tries to get it across to Richardson. Team Slovakia's in now. Slovakia's got it along the wall. Big-time save with the blocker. Great Britain's gained possession along the boards. And now he angles it across to Richardson. Into the offensive end now. Lets it go. Fantastic save. Team Slovakia's got a hold of it along the wall. Sends the pass over. And it's a quick pass to Chara. Move to the middle. With some momentum driving towards the net. Denied by the goaltender. Moves it to Chara. And he slides it quickly to Gaborik. Sends it over to Gray. Gray's got it in the corner. Pass back to the point. And down he goes as the puck goes free. Taken along the wall by Myers. Moves it quickly over to Chernak. And now it's over to Gaborik. Slides the puck over. Move to the middle. Team Great Britain's got the puck in their own end. Up along the wing. Moves the puck along the half wall. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. Slovakia's got the puck along the boards. Dano's got it into offensive territory. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Play blown dead. Penalty coming up here. Well, the official's going to give him 2 minutes to think about that one.
Yeah, you can argue for a few seconds, James, I guess, but you already know at this point you're going to sit down.
Team Slovakia sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Well, there hasn't been much to choose from in the two teams so far. The game is still scoreless, of course, but here's a power play. You've got a chance to change that in the next couple of minutes.
Trying to clear the puck. Finally, Ray.
Yeah, they do get it down the ice. I thought they held their structure pretty good. They tried to clear the puck a couple times, couldn't get it out. Now they're exhausted. Finally, they can get a change.
And that's broken up with a stick in front. Grabs the puck here at the blue line. Sends a pass over. Gets his stick on it. Denies him in front. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Gets it out of his own end. Slovakia's got a hold of it against the wall. And now he moves it quickly to Dano. Along the half wall with the puck. And he slides it quickly to Sekera. Great Britain's looking to break out. And manages to clear the zone. Now a quick pass to Yurko. Yurko's got it against the boards. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Comes up with the stop. Strong penalty-killing execution as both sides are now back to even strength.
Really aggressive work by the penalty killers. They shut that power play down without any danger.
Team Great Britain's grabbed a hold of the puck. Carries it in. Moves it around along the half wall. Takes the feed at the back end. Right in front of the net! On the backhand! No room for that one to get through. Takes a shot, and that one's turned away. While the setters are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Denied him on that last chance. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Richardson's gaining momentum. Team Slovakia's got the puck here in the open ice. Takes the feed at center and moves forward. Gives them nothing in front.
The most fun save for the goaltender, the glove stop.
Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Tested there, but rose to the challenge. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Hall. Hall's got it along the wing. And it's a quick pass to Lee. Puts it on net. Gobbles the puck up there with the chest. And there's the whistle stopping the play. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Grabs the puck in the defensive zone. Carries it across the line. On the attack along the boards. Handles the puck. And he scores! What a shot!
That's a quick one-timer. Right in front of the net. The pass is there. He's got no time to do anything with it. And he beats the goalie.
Slovakia's got the opening goal in this contest.
So much time left, but it just feels better to play with the lead. And they must be pretty happy to score that quickly.
Slovakia goal scored by number 56, Marco Dano.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Quick shot, comes up with the stop. Great Britain's got the puck along the wall.
45 seconds.
Team Great Britain's got the puck in the defensive end. Takes the pass, and he stands tall in goal. Scrum ensues along the boards. And he gets the puck right back. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. And that's taken by the defense.
Slovakia's bench is constantly saying, good sticks, good sticks. They intercept the puck, they turn it over, and they can attack. This will be a close game all the way to the end. Oh, that's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
With possession along the wall. Puts it to the front of the net. We got a penalty coming up here as the officials blow the play dead. Jaros is off to the box for charging.
That's going to get called every time, James. It's too long a race into the hit.
Great Britain's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
There have been times over the last couple of weeks where this power play looks great, other times not so good. But this is a key moment in this game. A chance to tie it up with the man advantage.
Phenomenal save with the glove to knock it away. Gets it out of his own end. Grabs the puck at center. Takes the stretch pass here in the open ice. Quick feed to Lee. Back at the point, they set it up. Here's a shot, and the stick gets a piece of it. Well past the midway mark of this period, 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent and manages to clear the zone. Slides away from his crease now to play the puck. Long lead pass into the neutral zone. With authority. Centering pass, and that one's broken up. Gets it out of his own end. Team Great Britain's gained possession along the boards. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Here's an opportunity, and the traffic neutralizes that threat.
I want to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Team Slovakia still got time here in this first period to increase this lead. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Great Britain's got possession here in the offensive zone. And the one-goal deficit stays intact as the power play fails to execute.
Well, there are times you look for your power play at the very least to gain a little momentum. They needed a goal. Now they still trail by one back to even strength.
Into the corner. Here's a short pass to Yarrows. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. And here's a shot. Oh, that just goes wide. Feeds it down low. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Takes the feed. Big time stop there. Dished on over to Lee. Takes the feed in the middle of the neutral zone. Quick pass to Lee. Slovakia is going to play the puck from behind the cage. Shot, glove save. Good check, frees the puck up. Handles it along the blue line. Moves it to Chernak. Puts it wide.
I know he's looking for the perfect shot. He's going to be disappointed that he didn't get it on the cage. Well, I love the way they've played this shift. They've protected the puck well. Oh, look at that. Here we go. We got a penalty coming up right here.
Officials blowing the play dead. We've got a penalty on the way here. A little too much stick and body hooking up on this one, hence hooking on the goal.
Yeah, I didn't think this was a difficult call for the official to make at all.
Another scoring opportunity looms here.
Well, here's another power play, James. They haven't been very good so far tonight. Nothing to show for their previous attempts. So now you have to get back to it, adjust, and re-attack on this man advantage.
Lets it go from the slot. Comes up with the stick save. And manages to clear the zone. Team Great Britain's got a hold of it along the wall. Takes it across the blue line. Sends it across. And there's the whistle as he elects to slow things down a little.
A pretty good decision here with the play starting to break down in front of him.
Team Slovakia's got the lead here late in this first period. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Great Britain's got the puck along the boards. Scores! They deliver big time with the man advantage.
Yeah, they use that extra man to their advantage. Move the puck very quickly. That's a nice goal. The goalie doesn't get a clean look at this with the traffic in front of the net. He's trying to find the puck, and by the time he does, it's behind him.
Here in the late goings of the period, it's all tied up. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway.
Power play by number 7.
Over the line they come.
By number 7. Time of the goal.
Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Ref's arm goes up in the air. Looks like we got a hooking call coming up. Here's the pass. The lane was plugged up and that shot's blocked. Denies him. He scores. They take the lead.
Well, it looked like this game was going to be even for the longest time because nobody seemed to have the upper hand. Gets to the net. That's where the goals are. The rebound sits there, and he puts it away.
Slovakia's goal scorers have given them a one-goal lead here in the first period.
I've liked the way that they came out and started this game. Now that they have the one-goal lead, see if they can expand upon it.
Number 12. Marion Gaborik, assisted by number 13.
Moves the puck along the half wall.
And by number 25.
Team Slovakia's got a hold of it against the wall.
17 minutes, 19 seconds.
Slides it back to the blue line. Moves the puck. Takes the pass in the offensive zone. Shoots it, gets in front of it. It's in! He scores!
2 goals in 50 seconds. So quickly on the board.
Conversely, deflating for the other team.
Man, that is a kick in the shins right there. They just couldn't stop the bleeding. You want to use the player in front of the net as a screen if you can. This time it's just about perfect. I don't think the goaltender ever picks it up.
Slovakia's been the better team here in this first period. More shots and more goals. Just a better all-around execution. This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. Dumps it in.
Yurko, assisted by number 12. Marion Gaborik, and by number 6.
Takes the feed at the point. And now he moves it to Chernak. And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Here they come on the attack. Puck picked up by Myers. Denied by the goaltender. Big stop by the goaltender. Huge desperation play.
After the first stop, he's in good position to make a second. Halak's pulse must be right through the roof. He looks like he's beaten here, but he makes a desperation stab to make the save.
Getting into the later stages of this period, Team Slovakia's really controlled the pace of play these last few minutes, leading by 2. Through center along the wing.
In the first period.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Scoops up the puck now. Nice pass. And he sends it across to Knight. Now he takes it over the line. Along the half wall with the puck. Great defensive stick work on the play. Fires one on goal with the stop. The first period is over as the horn sounds. They'll head to the rooms, and here's hoping there's more offense in store because that was a most entertaining opening frame. We got a 3-1 game.
Limited edition team bricks are available tonight at your team store. Get yours before they're all gone.
As both teams get a breather, so will we. We'll take a quick pause for the cause. Both teams are back at center ice, and we are ready to get period number 2 underway. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. Well, this one underway. Ray, give us an update on what your assessment is to this point.
Team Slovakia's aggression in that first period was really impressive. They had the puck a lot. They were able to produce a 2-goal lead. Now they want to keep pushing it forward.
Carries it in. Puts it on goal, and that one's stopped.
No loose change around the front. I like the way he directs this into the corner.
Moves it around along the half wall. Right in the slot. Knocked away. Team Great Britain's got the puck along the wall. On the attack along the boards. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Handles the puck at the point. Right in front. What a great read breaking up the pass. Here he is all alone. Oh, what a stop.
Goaltender comes up big, in good position to make the save. That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
Lots of time left in this period. 3-1 is where we're sitting. Fans being treated to a lot of offense thus far. Shoots it, turned aside with the glove. Slovakia's got the lead here early in this second period. Their offense has been clicking at all cylinders thus far. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Play is blown dead. We've got a penalty on the way. This is a good old-fashioned hooking the call here.
He looked like he was water skiing. Man, you got to move your feet. You get your stick around his waist, you'll get called.
Another chance here on the man advantage.
Once you get a power play goal early in a game, you start to feel pretty good about yourself. Now you get another opportunity. You feel like you're going to score for sure.
Trying to get the puck out of the zone and manages to clear the zone. Great Britain's gained possession along the boards. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. With possession along the wall. He got all of that hit. Puts it on net, and that goes off the face of the goaltender.
What do you think hurts more? He's got a headache or his jaw sore? That thing was a bullet.
Team Slovakia's been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Gets it out of his own end. Team Great Britain's got a hold of it along the wall. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Back to the point it goes. And he slides it quickly to Myers.
Oh,
and headhunting there.
I think he did. Man, that thing is way over top of the net.
Too much congestion in front. Good hit on the play. Looks to set up at the point now. Way too high.
He had plenty of time to step into this. He'd like to get this on the net because no matter how hard he shot it, it was up too high.
Solid effort by the penalty-killing unit as the power play comes up empty.
Well, as that penalized player comes out of the penalty box, he can give a nod down to his penalty-killing unit. They did their job. Outstanding work.
Gets it to the other point. That goes wide. Slovakia's got the puck along the boards. Carries it across the line. Feeds the puck to O'Brien. Picks off the pass.
Slovakia's done a great job without the puck. Nice pick off there. This game's close because of it.
Takes it out of the offensive zone and back to center. There's the whistle. Offside is the call, stopping the play. Team Slovakia's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. Puck is dropped and play resumes. Great defensive effort with the strip. Pokes the puck away. And now he moves it quickly to O'Brien. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Moves the puck along the half wall. Unable to reach that one. Good battle along the boards for the puck. And that's a great read to pick off the pass. Takes the feed. Here's a shot. Makes the save. Great Britain's got a hold of it against the wall. Hall's going to play it against the half wall. Takes a slap shot from the point, and that's blocked. Settles things down and gets control of it once again. Good defensive stop with the poke check. Takes it across the blue line. And that carries off a stick. Team Great Britain's got control of it now from their own end. And now he tries to get it across to Hall. Hall's got the puck. Rister stones him with the blocker. Slovakia's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Takes control of the puck. Tries to make that cross-ice feed. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Puts it towards the net, and that banks off a stick. Knights carrying it ahead. Centered out in front. Scores! No chance for the puck stopper on that one.
If you're the goalie here, you just want to move as quick as you can. Maybe it'll hit you, but it's so close to the net that pass is on the tape and off the tape in a hurry.
Great Britain's back at center ice, not really following the narrative of this storyline tonight.
They just can't seem to generate enough shots to make them look dangerous. Doesn't matter. They're only down one now.
Along the half wall with the puck. And now he angles it across to Marinson. Big play inside the defensive zone. Over the line they come. Through the offensive zone and behind the net now. Referee signals penalty coming up here with a delayed call. And there's the whistle stopping the play. Let's see what the officials are calling. Charging is the call, and I don't think anybody's going to argue this one.
That's a frustrated player that had that bubbling up inside him. He sees a chance to make a big hit. He makes it, but it's too much.
And the man advantage unit goes right back to work.
This is a pretty simplistic power play. They like to get the puck, shoot it, crash the net, get it back, and shoot it again. What a great time to have a man advantage as they trail by one.
And manages to clear the zone. Team Great Britain's got the puck along the wall. Up along the wing. Receives the pass. Moves it around along the half wall. And he takes a shot, and that goes off the side of the frame. And he gives it over to Richardson. From the top of the offensive zone here. Puts it up front. And he's tripped up on the play. Referee's hand goes up here. Let's get the call here. He's going off for tripping, Ray.
Reaching in for the puck, and he gets his stick caught in their feet.
Here we go. A lengthy 5-on-3 power play looms.
When this puck is moved side to side on a 5-on-3, you're going to rotate those penalty killers around. Eventually, you're going to tire them out. I don't mind taking a shot, but it can't be a bad one from the wing. Get it on the net.
Myers works the puck in his own zone. Moves it quickly over to Gray. And he slides it quickly to Lee. That's gloved by Halak. Past the halfway mark of this period, just one goal separating these two teams as we sit with a 3-2 lead. The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here. Gets it out of his own end. Great Britain's gained possession along the boards. Feeds it over to Gray. Gray's got it in the offensive zone. Now a quick pass to Myers. Oh, that's a good hit. Stopped by the goaltender.
If you're going to leave a rebound, it might as well be 30 feet away from the net. That's a really good stop because the puck's out of danger. Lee's got to know right before he takes this hit that he's going to get run over.
Team Slovakia's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And manages to clear the zone. Team Great Britain's got a hold of it along the wall. Here they come on the attack. Great positioning in the defensive end. Coughs it up on the play. And makes the save.
Yeah, he makes a nice save here with the glove, as you mentioned. But he's able to hang on to it. That's a tough save from this position on the ice.
Slovakia's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Takes that pass back at the point. Quick feed to Gaborik. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Through center along the wing. He got all of that one. Here's a short pass to Yurko. And he comes up with it. Scooped up along the wall by Chernak. Big stop by the keeper.
He's right on it. 2 consecutive saves. Tough ones at that. Those are the saves that are gifts from the goaltender. That looked like an automatic goal. He's able to make the stop.
Team Slovakia's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. From against the wall, it's centered out. And now it's over to Yaros. Here's a shot, and there's the save. Slovakia's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Takes a hit, but still hangs on to the puck. Hall swooping in on the attack. Slovakia's got the puck behind the net. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Sends the pass over. There's the whistle from the linesman calling it offside. Team Slovakia's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Puck scooped up by Tatar. Tatar's got it against the boards. Chara's got it along the wing. Quick pass to Chara. Centering pass. And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. Moves it on over to Hall. On the attack along the boards. Slovakia's regained possession of the puck. Here they are on the attack. Yurko's been brought down, and we're going to get a penalty here. Let's see what the officials say. Caught him just as he was picking up speed, and he's going to pay for it with the trip.
Oh, you're spinning with him. You're trying to get your stick into the puck lane, and you end up tripping him up.
Face-off and another opportunity to take a look at the man advantage unit here.
Sometimes you have to have the shortest of memories when you play on a specialty unit like the power play. It hasn't gone very well for them so far tonight. They have to attack this power play with a renewed vigor.
Carries it in. Here's a chance, a 2-on-1. And he says no. I think it's a chance for a breather here as he hangs on and covers the puck up.
Who, for the players or for you?
Well, you know, I won't complain.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Here in the dying moments of this period, 3-2 is where we sit. It's a one-goal game in what has been a very fun contest to this point. Moves it to Dano, and that's broken up with a stick in front. Team Slovakia's got the puck along the boards, and it's a quick pass to Chara. And he slides it quickly to Sekera. Off the crossbar! My goodness, what a shot! Puts the puck on net, and that's broken up. Gets it out of his own end. Comes out to play the puck. Grabs the puck and moves on out here with this man advantage. Referee's hand shoots high in the air. Looks like we got a tripping penalty coming up. Let's see what the official says here. Tripped him up, and he's off to the box for it, Ray.
Reaching out for the puck to get your stick into his feet. This is the consequence.
Not a lot of time to work, but they still have a 5-on-3.
Puck retrieval is always a key on a power play, in particular a short 5-on-3. You don't want to lose a puck battle and have the 5-on-3 portion of your power play go away.
And manages to clear the zone. Tries to get this man advantage going from their own end now. Carries it across the line. Back to the blue line. Slides the puck over. Here's a shot. Great glove save.
Richardson's trying to brace himself. He knows the hit's coming, but man, does he get level.
Slovakia's been the better team tonight, and they lead as a result late in the second. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender. Gets it out of his own end. Team Slovakia's got a hold of it against the wall. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Shot right in front. Oh, a clutch save. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Gaborik. Here's a chance to set up now. Just wide. From behind the net. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Right out front. And they can't connect. And manages to clear the zone. Slovakia's got the puck along the wall. Both sides back to even strength.
A lot of head shaking on the bench when you go back after a power play like that. Well executed, lots of pressure, just couldn't finish.
Centering pass in front, big save.
Certain saves are more...
And there it is, the double G, the great glove save.
Oh, he's locked right in, a couple of stops in a row there.
Team Slovakia's generated a lot of quality scoring chances, which is why they lead here late in the second. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Sends a pass over. Handles the puck. With possession along the wall. Slovakia is looking to break out of their own end. Puck dumped in. Here's an offensive chance. Hammers it on net. Shuts him down. Great defensive play to break it up.
Team Slovakia's had outstanding stick positioning. Coaches will love to show this in the video tomorrow.
And that's all she wrote on the period. Not a moment too soon. Unbelievable pressure. But the period finally comes to an end.
Fans, don't forget to get the seats you want to the games you want by purchasing one of our 6-game ticket packets today.
What's in store for the third period? Let's tune in to find out just moments away. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Third period action ready to go. Barring extra time, the final frame of this one. Here we go. Third period is underway. Ray Ferraro is between the benches at ice level. He scores! They tied it up!
Brand new game. All that work that's gone behind this, and we're back to even Steven. That shot just overpowered him, I guess. He stopped most of it. It just trickled through and rolled into the net.
Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. It's all tied up. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Moves the puck along the half wall. Flips it up the net. Blocked in traffic. Comes up with the stop. Tries to get it to lead. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Along the half wall with the puck. Knocked away. And now he moves it to Tatar. Takes the pass. Stick save by the goalie. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Intercepts the pass. This could be something. A chance in front. Beautiful stop with the stick.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
Lets it go. And the shot dies in the traffic jam. Moves it quickly over to Chernak. Here's a shot. Nothing doing.
No, he's got to get that on target. That's a scoring chance, and he doesn't even make the goaltender make a save.
Takes a shot, and he makes the save.
Pretty solid stop, and the puck goes into the corner to safety.
Oh, what a beautiful glove save. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Forces the turnover. Obstruction penalty coming up. Looks like a hook here. Here comes the official's call. Jaros is off to the box, hooking the call.
You get caught when you don't move your feet. Now you've got to reach out to slow the player down. He's in the box.
Rightly so. Another power play opportunity coming up here.
Not much positive from their first couple opportunities on the power play. I don't really think they've threatened much at all. So now it's time to maybe polish up the approach and attack it in a different way.
A howitzer, just wide.
Probably better off to take a little off the shot and get it on target. He's nowhere near the net.
Looking to break out here on the power play. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Into the corner now. And he can't find his man. Takes the feed. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Scores! And the deadlock is broken.
Well, what a crushing goal to give up. But the other guys worked hard for it. They pressed the play, and now they've got the lead. They're just trying to get out of this alive to keep the game tied. What a gift. A shorthanded goal. An outstanding effort. And now they've got the lead.
Team Slovakia's gone ahead here by 1 in the third. What's the message now for the stretch run, Ray?
To be aggressive. Too often teams sit back on their heels. They give up a chance. They give up a power play. Pretty soon it's an all-out scramble.
Here's a clearing attempt from their own end. And he moves the puck across the blue line out of the defensive zone. Slides the puck to Myers. Takes it across the blue line. Shot! Oh, and the goalie catches a break there. Gets the puck back onto his strength, and after giving up a short-handed goal, it's an opportunity the power play unit would probably sooner forget.
Oh, they're not going to think too much about that. You want to at least generate a little momentum on your power play. Not only did they not score, they gave up a shorty, which is always deflating.
Puts it on net. Long jam in front. That's broken up. And another stop.
Quick reflexes. You make one, you make two stops before the puck is cleared away.
Getting closer to the halfway point of this frame, Slovakia's got a one-goal lead. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Over the line they come. Great use of the body to knock him off the puck. Gets control of the puck here in his own end. Hall's picking up steam. Hall's going to play it against the half wall. Slovakia's got it from behind the net. Picks off the pass in the defensive zone. Whacks it into the offensive zone. Team Slovakia's gained possession along the boards. Tatar's got it on the offensive end. Lets it go with the stop. Taken by Hall. Carries the puck back inside his own end. Moves the puck. Grabs it in his own end. Knight's got the puck. Quick feed to Yaros. Can't get a hold of that pass. Great Britain's got a hold of it along the wall. Intercepts the pass at center.
Slovakia's in another close game. One of the reasons is positionally they're in the right place. There's going to be a penalty on this play here, James.
Into the corner of the attacking area. And we got another stoppage in play for, guess what? Yeah, another penalty being called here. Hooking the call and maybe a little sell job along the way?
A little bit, but the player's got to move his feet. As soon as you stop, if it's even close, you're going to get nabbed.
Another scoring opportunity looms here.
They've been skunked on the power play so far tonight. So you have a little chat on the bench. Guys, notice some things that the penalty killers do, and you try to adjust one step ahead of them.
Misses a golden opportunity there.
Hit the net. No chance.
And that clangs off the iron. Slovakia's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Myers quick on the draw. Gets it out of his own end. Team Slovakia's got the puck along the boards. They gain possession here inside the neutral zone. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Nice pass. Here's a shot and makes the save. Slovakia's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Gains control of the puck here at the line. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Moves around along the half wall. A chance on goal. Gets a piece of it with the blocker. And manages to clear the zone. Team Slovakia's got a hold of it against the wall. Here they come on the attack. Penalty has expired. Both sides back to even strength. Denied by the goaltender.
Oh, good work by those penalty killers in this case. They're able to keep themselves in touch with the game, give themselves an opportunity to climb back in.
On the attack along the boards. Slovakia's got the puck along the wall. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Close save, and the play continues. Team Great Britain's got a hold of the puck. Carries it in. Here's a chance. Great poke check on the reach. Team Slovakia's gained possession along the boards. With possession along the wall. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. And now he tries to get it across to Sekera. Takes the feed. And in front, and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up.
Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through them.
Slovakia's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. Myers has it in their own end. Up the neutral zone now. Pass back to the point. Puts it on net, comes up with the stop. Team Slovakia's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Blocker save! Carries it across the line. And now he moves it quickly to Sekera. Receives the pass. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Slovakia's got a hold of it along the wall. Moves the puck along the half wall. And he slides it quickly to Chara. Scores!
They score back-to-back goals. They stay aggressive after getting the first one. They tack another one on here. He kept moving in for an area that might be open. Then the puck's on and off his stick. Nice shot.
Team Slovakia's latest goal now gives them a 2-goal lead here with just minutes remaining in this third.
It's a good place to be as you get into the last half of the period, but you want to melt these minutes away by playing aggressively.
Hall's got it in the offensive zone. Here's a short pass to Hall, and that one's turned away.
13 minutes, 27 seconds.
Here in the back half of this period, Slovakia's got a 2-goal lead. They'd love to build on it. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Quick pass to Marinsson. Marinsson's moving it ahead. They've got numbers. Slides it across. Glove save, and an easy one at that. Team Slovakia has been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Gets in front of it. Scrum along the boards as they battle for the puck. Trying to get back on the attack now. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Lets it fly, blocking that. Slides the puck across to Dano. It's a 2-on-1. Puts it on goal. Denied by the goaltender. Just here in the late stages of this frame, up to 8 goals scored so far tonight. It's 5-3. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. One-time shot, and that's blocked away. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner with the stop. Slovakia's offense, the story tonight as they lead it here in this third period. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Up along the wing. Here's an odd man rush. Along the half wall with the puck. Runs them hard against the boards. Team Slovakia's got the puck along the boards. Great heads-up play by the defender. Takes it across the blue line. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Moves it tonight, and that's broken up with a stick in front. Quick shot, makes the save with the trapper. No quarter given here as they battle for the loop. And a stick in the lane ends that threat, and that one's stopped.
That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Slovakia's not far from the finish line here as they lead it late in this third. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Makes the save. Another stop by the goaltender.
Yeah, pretty good positioning here, James. He makes the 2 stops back-to-back.
And that goes off a player in front. Sends the pass over. Over the line they come. Takes the feed at the back end. Pass right on the doorstep. Comes up with the steal. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Drills them. Team Slovakia's got a hold of it against the wall. Puck sent over to Chara. They've got the defense outnumbered. Moves it around along the half wall. Takes the feed from the goaltender. Slides that one right across the blue line. Moved into the middle. Shot. Oh, just wide.
Didn't miss that by much. He got lots on it.
Oh, he'd like to have that one back as it goes off the side. And nothing doing with the goaltender there.
That's really good strength by the goaltender as they quickly get over to the side of the net, right tucked up against the post to make the save.
To the empty net. Inside of the final minute here in the third. Towards the gaping wide open net. Moves it quickly over to Richardson. Slides the puck over. Slides the puck near the front of the net. Back at the point, they set it up. Here's a chance right in the slot. Steps into all of that. Fires it down the ice. And he scores, which should end it.
That should wrap it up. Pretty comfortable now with that empty netter. That should be enough to wrap this thing up. The empty net goal should seal it.
Slovakia Slovankia's offense has not been a problem tonight. They put a lot of shots on net and laid it big time late in this third period. And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Feeds it to Tatar. Here they are on the attack. Nice poke check. Bumped off the puck. Into the middle of the neutral zone.
29 seconds.
Oh, he laid a solid hit on him there. He was waiting for him and laid the shoulder right into him.
That might loosen a few of the chompers on that play. Oh, you can't miss that.
Now, somehow I got 408, James. You don't get any if you don't hit the net. Get it on target, man.
There's the final horn, and this one's in the books.
Really dominant performance. I guess you could notice that from the way that they had the puck most of the time, but they were tonight.
Even the fancy stats crew would agree with this one. And that'll do it from Rinkside, everyone. For Ray Ferraro, my name is James Sabalski. Get home safely. Thanks so much for joining us.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.